Hello, my name is Thomas from Nemo Engineering, and I wanted to show you our quarter turn couplings. So basically it's the same as a real quarter turn, you just turn 90 degrees and the coupling opens, and you have the stud and the built-in receptacle here. And just close it back up and it's fixed again. Now this has a built-in shaft receptacle. However, you can also use the regular receptacle, which you can fix with screws onto your panel. Now this small one has a clamping force of 90 Newton. However, we also have a stronger version which has a clamping force of 400 Newton. But this is the same principle, except you have a much larger clamping force. Now these are built in now in a rectangular shape, however you can build them in any shape that you need. The newest product we invented is the quarter turn coupling with a secondary lock. So how it works, you just pull back, you turn and it opens, and when you need to lock it in again, you don't need to pull, you just click and it's fixed. Thank you.